Welcome. I'm Douglas from CompuMatter, and YouTube has been an asset when researching different issues on computers as well as things in my own life. And so this is going to be a short video showing you some of YouTube's keyboard shortcuts to help you navigate smoother when you're learning a new skill or perhaps just absorbing copious amounts of mind-numbing content. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to go over the number keys. Number 1 will take you to the 10% line, and that is true with all the numbers for the different percentage of the video, all the way up to 0, which takes you back to the very beginning. So I am assuming that most people know that pause is the space bar, but the up and down arrow keys can control your volume on any video. And the left and right arrow keys do your 5-second skip forward or backward depending on left or right. This one should be simple enough. M is for mute, and that'll mute your audio if you're just wanting to stop the audio but keep the video going for a bit. And the L key and the J key are your skip forward and back for 10 seconds. And the T key will remove the text from the right of the screen and make the video a little bit larger. It's sort of in between the small video window and a full screen, in which case the F button gets you to full screen. So it's the F key if you just want to make it large or back down to the last size you were at. Now finally, the I key will help minimize the video you're watching so that you can continue to search while the video plays. And happy searching, everyone, and remember, if you can't find the results you're looking for, just think about maybe asking the question a little bit different. A lot of times you can get different video results and maybe find what you're looking for. Take care.